Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch based out of San Mateo, California. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how I'm on track to make $12,000 for the month of February. So let's get right into it. Follow me along.
So Tony, what are you doing to get so many bookings? Is it your sex appeal?
It might be, I don't know. I think I'm pretty attractive, but anyways, besides that, I think the ads are helping a bit. I definitely need to come up with some new ads and put some more ads out there because right now I've been only having one running, and I feel like it's not catching as much attention as it was before. I see a lot of other detailers starting to copy that type of style, so I got to switch it up a little bit, make it look a little bit different, make some other stuff, and then my clients that I've been having are still the same amount of clients, so like these maintenance ones are helping out a bit, but I think another thing that's really helping right now is, especially for this month, is the new vehicle protection packages that I've been doing on my clients' vehicles. Their friends and family members are getting interested in getting the same type of service because they see how great of a job we can do with that package, and it's a really affordable package compared to our level 3 and stuff.
So Tony, what does the new vehicle protection package consist of, and how many are you scheduled to do? So
with our new vehicle protection package, that consists of a detailed foam wash, mini interior detail, plate treatment, iron removal, engine bay detail, and then we do a one-step correction which removes 50% or more of the swirls and defects on the paint. If it's a new vehicle, it should look pretty much like almost perfect. I don't always say perfect because, you know, there's always some deep scratches or something that can't get out, but it should look really good. And even if it's a used vehicle, this package can be done on any vehicle. So it can be an old vehicle, as long as the paint condition is decent. This package can be done on a 2000 vehicle or 1995, it doesn't matter, repainted vehicle, but it was technically meant for new vehicles. So it includes that one-step correction to remove those 50% or more of defects, and then it also includes a 3-year ceramic coating to protect your paint. And that's about it for that package. And then that starts at $1,000, and it ranges all the way up to like $1,200 for large trucks and SUVs. And then we're supposed to be doing about 6 vehicles with that package for this month, 6 to 7. We have 2 more spots available that we might add people into, but as of right now, we only have 6 that got booked for this month. So those are 1,000 plus jobs, so that's 6,000 alone in those type of jobs, and the rest are all basically maintenance and other type of details. With these new vehicle protection packages, it's literally helped us out to make those like half of the income of the month that we're expecting. So we're expecting to make 12K, and we've already made 6K with just these packages, and so the rest of it is all maintenance and regular details. But the difference is, with these new vehicle protection packages, we're only taking about 1 day, pretty much a full 1 day job, compared to if you compare 6 days to the rest of the days that we have for the month, that's a huge like time difference. So we're able to make a lot more money and be a lot more profitable with the new vehicle protection packages than with the regular details and mini details.
Got it. So do you feel that those regular details are a waste of time, or?
Not necessarily a waste of time, but our time could be better spent technically if we were to just do new vehicle protection packages only. However, I feel like our customers and clientele that we have don't necessarily have that amount of money to be spending every single time. It's a little bit difficult. I'm not gonna say it's impossible because I know it's not. I know a lot of other detailing businesses get these type of jobs every single day. However, we do not get those type of jobs every single day. So those other details help us out. Those other regular mini details and full details and whatnot help us pretty much keep our business afloat and stay steady. Eventually, I would love to have those type of jobs be coming in every single day, especially when I get a shop and more employees. It'd be wonderful to get those every single day, those type of jobs, the bigger details and the coatings and whatnot, and then still keep our vans to do our local maintenance. So any client that we've done coatings on for, we can still service them with our maintenance plans and have like 1 or 2 vans out and just service everyone weekly or bi-weekly or something.
So with all these detailing jobs, what are you using to keep track of all the booking?
So I'm doing both Setmore and Square. Eventually I'll transfer fully over to Square. But again, I've been just lagging on it right now. It's not really something that I'm really focused on too much because set more works well. It's not really like, it's not that set more doesn't work well. It's just that I want to kind of keep everything in one place. So eventually I do want to do everything in one place at Square, but for now I'm not too worried about it. Especially since I'm the one booking in the clients. I don't allow my clients to book them themselves. They had to come through me first just because I'm in different areas every single day. So I can't be having someone, let's say from Apple Valley wants detail and I'm going to be in LA. It's not going to work out if they book for a day that I'm going to be in LA and they're all over there. I'm not going to be able to make it with them. So I always have the client come through me first, and then I'll talk to them, see what I have available, give them the dates, times, prices and everything. So that way they don't get any surprises or pretty much, yeah, just that they don't get any surprises and they know when the job can be done and how much is going to be and things like that. And everything's just kind of just communicated well, I guess.
Okay. So Tony, what's the one main thing that you don't like about the Setmore booking app?
There's not necessarily anything I don't like about it other than let's see. The main thing that I like about Square over Setmore is that it offers the invoices. So the invoices help out a lot, and then Square can also be like implemented into your website. So once you have your website all up and running and everything, clients can book through there. Even though you can do the same thing on Setmore, I don't know, I feel like it's a little bit easier to do it through Square, bookings and things like that for the client. But it's mainly just the invoice part of it and like that receipt. Like when a client ever asks for a receipt or needs one, it looks a lot more professional when you get it done through Square. Even though you can get it like another app or something to do it. I don't know, everything just kind of works a little bit better with Square. And then also the credit and debit cards is another main reason. So Square accepts those.
Got it.
So yeah.
So Tony, how far ahead are you booked?
Well, right now, as of right now, technically we only have 2 days available for this month, but since it's supposed to rain next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, most likely gonna have to reschedule all those people. So it's probably gonna fill up those 2 days that we had available for this month. And so technically, with that being said, we're pretty much all booked out for this month, and we're now trying to book up March. So yeah, we're just starting to book people in for March now. We've been booking people in for March, but March isn't fully booked out. It's probably only like almost the first week of March is almost fully booked out, but it's doing pretty well.
So for the month of February, what would you say has been your biggest expense?
Month of February, biggest expense, probably advertisements and YouTube, and that's about it. Probably that. Everything else is like regular stuff like gas, food, water, but they're not like crazy huge. Probably like average around $100 a day. So it does add up. And then I got like my own personal stuff like bills and rent and things like that. But yeah, it's kind of split up between that.
When you use your Instagram ads, what package are you pushing?
So right now I only have one ad running, and it's not necessarily pushing any type of package. It's just pushing my business as a whole and what I offer, and kind of like kind of the areas that I service. So it's not necessarily focused on a specific service. It's just letting everyone know, hey, this is my company. I can come to you. These are a couple of the services we offer. And if you guys are interested, let us know. Send us a DM. We'll book you in.
So what advice would you give to beginner detailers that want to make more money in their business?
Try not to focus on the money too much. I know it's like hard not to focus on the money because it's kind of essential. But I'd say work as much as you can, provide the best quality work you can, and really just see what packages work best for your business. And like if you see like some packages not working well for you, maybe take it off, stop doing it, or raise it up a bit. But you really got to focus on you and how much you're trying to make. And maybe you need to try to book some bigger packages in. Maybe you need to try to get some different type of clients. There's a lot of variables, and it really the answers really depend on the type of person you are and your work ethic. Like it all depends. There's a lot of different answers I could give. Well, there you guys have it. That's how I'm on track to make $12,000 for the month of February. Let me know in the comments down below how much money you guys are on track to make for the month of February in the comments down below. And remember, if you guys like these type of videos, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.